Hello children, our next exercise is integrals of some particular functions. In this section, we use some important formulae of integrals and apply them or integrating many other related standard integrals. 17th question, let I equal to integral of x plus 2 into root of x square minus 1 into dx. I am separating this as two integrals, integral of x by root of x square minus 1 into dx plus integral of 2 into dx by root of x square minus 1. So I am taking this as I1 and this is 2 into I2. So I equal to I1 plus 2 into I2. Here x square minus 1 taking as t. So when we differentiate we get 2x dx equal to dt. So x dx is dt by 2. So first we are going to integrate I1. I1 equal to, so dx, x dx is dt by 2. So half of dt by root t. So half of t power minus half dt. So using the formula t power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1. So half. So 1 by 2 into t power half by half. So which is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 into t power half. 2 will get cancelled, which is equal to root t plus c. So I1 equal to root t is root of x minus 1. So on we can write this constant as c1 as we have taken this integrand as I1. So next we have to integral I2. So I2 is 2 into dx by root of x square minus 1. So using this functions dx by root of x square minus a square. Here x is x and a is 1. So which is equal to log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. So we can write this as 2 into log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c2. So I equal to I1 plus 2 into I2. I1 is root of x square minus 1 plus I2 is 2 log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus 1, and we can write this constant c1 plus c2 as some c. So I equal to root of x square minus 1 plus 2 into log x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c. So next functions, to find the integral of the type integral of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c into dx, or integral of px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So where p, q, a, b, c are the constants, we have to find real numbers capital A and B, such that we are writing this as px plus q, which is equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. So which is equal to a into, differentiating this we get 2ax plus b plus capital B. So it's px plus q, which is equal to a into 2ax plus b plus b. So to determine capital A and B, we equate from both the sides the coefficient of x and the constant terms. A and B are thus obtained, and hence the integral is reduced to one of the known forms. So let's do question number 21 using integrals of this type. So I equal to integral of x plus 2 by root of x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx. So we have to write this in the form of px plus q. So px plus q, here it is x plus 2. So x plus 2, which is equal to a into d by dx of the denominator x square plus 2x plus 3 plus capital B. So x plus 2 equal to a into, differentiating this, we get 2x plus 2 plus b. Now we have to equate the coefficients to get the values of capital A and B. So first we will multiply 2ax plus 2a plus b. Here 2ax and x. So we have to equate the coefficients, comparing the like terms. So we get 2a equal to 1. So a equal to half. And again constants, 2a plus b equal to 2. So 2a plus b equal to 2. A is half. Substituting here, we get 1 plus b equal to 2. So b equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. So I am writing this integrand as, so x plus 2 is 2 into ax plus 2a plus b. So I am going to write this as x plus 2 equal to, a is half, so half into 2x plus 2 plus b is 1. So I am writing this integrand as, which is equal to integral of half of 2x plus 2 plus 1, substituting x plus 2 by root of x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx. So I am going to separate this. So half of integral of 2x plus 2 by root of x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx plus 1 into root of x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx. So taking this integrand as I equal to half I1 plus I2. First we will do I1. So I1 is half of integral of half of 2x plus 2 by root of x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx. So using substitution method, x square plus 2x plus 3 equal to t. Differentiating this, we get 2x plus 2 into dx, which is equal to dt. So I1 is 1 by 2 integral of 2x plus 2 into dx is dt. So dt by root t. So which is equal to half of t power minus half dt. So using the formula, t power minus half plus 1 by half plus 1. So which is equal to half of t power minus half plus 1 is t power half. So t power half by half plus c. So cancelling 2. Replacing t. T is x square plus 2x plus 3 plus c. So I1 is x square plus 2x plus 3 plus c. Now we have to find I2. So I2 is integral of 1 by x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx. So using completing the square method. So x square plus 2x, that is 2ab is 2 into 1 into x. X is, a is x and b is 1. So we have to add and subtract 1 square. So add and subtract 1 square. So we get x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 plus 3. So we are writing this as integral of dx by root of x square plus 2x plus 1. We can write this as x plus 1 whole square. So root of x plus 1 whole square minus 1 and plus 3 is plus 2. So we can write 2 as root 2 whole square, so that we can get use dx by root of x square plus a square formula. So which is equal to log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. Here x is x plus 1. So log of x plus 1 plus root of x plus 1 whole square plus root 2 whole square is nothing but x square plus 2x plus 3. So writing this as x square plus 2x plus 3 plus c. Now we have to add I equal to I1 plus I2. So which is equal to, so I equal to I1 plus I2. We can take this constant I1 as C1 and I2 as C2. So I1 is x square plus 2x plus 3 plus I2 is log of modulus of x plus 1 plus root of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus c, where c equal to C1 plus C2. 23rd question. So using the same type of integrals, let I equal to integral of 5x plus 3 by root of x square plus 4x plus 10 into dx. So px plus q equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. So numerator is px plus q, that is here it is 5x plus 3, and the denominator we have to differentiate a into d by dx of x square plus 4x plus 10 plus b to determine the values of a and b. So 5x plus 3, which is equal to a into, differentiating this we get 2x plus 4 plus b. So multiplying this we get 2ax plus 4a plus b. Now equating the coefficient of x. So 2a equal to 5. So a equal to 5 by 2. Again equating the constant 4a plus b, which is equal to 3. So 4 into 5 by 2 plus b equal to 3. So 10 plus b equal to 3. So b equal to 2 minus 10, which is equal to minus 7. Now substituting the value of a and b in the numerator part, that is 5x plus 3, which is equal to 5 by 2, 2x plus 4 minus 7. Here a is 5 by 2 and b is minus 7. Now we are going to substitute this in integrand. So writing this as 5 by 2, 2x plus 4 minus 7 by root of x square plus 4x plus 10 into dx, which is equal to, separating this into 2. So which is equal to 5 by 2 integral of 2x plus 4 dx by root of x square plus 4x plus 10 minus 7 into integral of dx by root of x square plus 4x plus 10. So I am taking this as 5 by 2 I1 minus 7 I2. So I equal to 5 by 2 I1 minus 7 I by 2. So let's see integrals of I1. So I1 5 by 2 integral of 2x plus 4 root of x square plus 4x plus 10 into dx. Here using the substitution method. So x square plus 4x plus 10 as t. When we differentiate we get 2x plus 4 into dx, which is equal to dt. So which is the numerator part? 2x plus 4 into dx is numerator part. So which is equal to 5 by 2 dt by, so this one is we have taken as t, so which is root t. So integral of this, so 5 by 2 integral of t power minus half dt, using the same formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, we get 5 by 2 t power half by half. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled, plus some c1. So which is equal to 5 into t is x square plus 4x plus 10 plus c1. Now we have to find the integrals of I2. I2 is minus 7 integral of dx by root of x square plus 4x plus 10 into dx. So using completing the square method. So x square plus 4x, a square plus 2ab. Here 2ab is 4x, which is equal to 2 into 2 into x. A is x and b is 2. We have to add and subtract b square, that is 4 plus 4 and minus 4 in this quadratic equation. So which is equal to minus 7 integral of dx by root of x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 4 plus 10. So which is equal to minus 7 integral of dx by, so x square plus 4x plus 4 is x plus 2 whole square. So x plus 2 whole square. 10 minus 4 is 6. So we can write this as root 6 whole square. So root of x plus 2 whole square plus root 6 whole square. So using the formula dx by root of x square plus a square, so which is equal to log of x, here x is x plus 2 whole square, so x plus 2 whole square plus root of x square plus a square, that is x plus 2 whole square plus root 6 whole square plus c2, which is log of x plus 2 whole square plus root of, so this is nothing but this quadratic equation, so x square plus 4x plus 10 I equal to I1 plus I2. So I1 is 5 into x square plus 4x plus 10 plus 5 by 2 c1, and I2 is minus 7 log of x plus 2 whole square plus root of x square plus 4x plus 10 minus 7 c2. Now we have to add these two. We get I equal to 5 into x square plus 4x plus 10 minus 7 log x plus 2 whole square plus root of x square plus 4x plus 10 plus c, where c is 5 by 2 c1 minus 7 c2.